Welcome, Chestnut Ridge Secret Agent. Your mission is to execute cyberbullying. Your access is granted. Your mission. Good morning, student. Your mission as a cyberbully agent is to prevent, stop, and report cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is when you threaten, humiliate, or harass someone repeatedly. Electronic devices used for cyberbullying include Instagram or YouTube, Facebook or Twitter, TikTok, WhatsApp, Snapchat, House Party, or others. Forms of cyberbullying include harassment, repeated unwanted messages, sending hurtful or nasty messages, impersonation, pretending you're someone else, or sending unwanted, derogatory, or sexual images. Cyberbullying hurts. It can affect in a negative way by depression, failing grades, poor health, becoming a bully, or suicide. Ways to stop cyberbullying. Talk to a trusted adult, collect evidence, report to the social media site, demonstrate care, stand up for others, and tell them to stop. This message is from the Pride team at Chestnut Ridge School District. We have a zero tolerance policy regarding cyberbullying. Show your cyber pride by showing Chestnut Ridge pride at Chestnut Ridge Middle School.